Ooh.
Oh. So I'm a truck driver. Sometimes like my back do hurt, or sometimes like I have sharp pains through my knees or my ankles. Ooh.
Okay, where are you guys coming from?
Ohio.
Ohio, dang, okay.
We're actually out here on vacation. It started like Wednesday.
Okay.
So yeah, our vacation lasts from Wednesday to Monday.
Gotcha, heck yeah.
Yeah.
Doing what, like Clearwater?
We're like in Orlando, but I drove out here.
Okay, nice. But man, alright, what in the world is going on? What happened to you?
So I'm a truck driver. And I've been driving for almost 3 years.
Okay.
And I sit constantly. So
yeah.
And I'm always slouching all the time, and I do like have lower back, so I'll be like trying to like move around. I do have like a cushion that I sit on, but
yeah.
Sometimes like my back do hurt, or sometimes like I have sharp pains through my knees or my ankles, or like I have to go like this a lot. I'm on the steering wheel constantly for like 10 hours.
Jeez.
It's a consistent.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally like a little bit of everything.
Yeah, it is.
That low back and hips is the most.
Yes.
Okay.
Or sometimes like I like my hip like just.
Yeah.
It would crack like sometimes like when I move. But yeah. And like my fingers like sometimes.
Dang.
So like lately like I've been having like twitching in my like left side of my neck.
Okay.
And it's been like been pain in my hands. So
okay.
I'm trying to like make sure it's not like something going on my body, or because I went to the emergency room. And
okay.
They said that everything is good, everything came back, but I do have like low iron, so I don't know if that can cause the situation, but I don't know.
Gotcha. How's even just like general movements? Like up and down, anything like?
It feel like strong.
Okay. So it's like not pain, but just kind of tightness. Okay. And then what about like lower, like with twists and bending?
Yeah, it's good. It's just like I said, stiffness and tightness.
Okay.
Like I can move loosely, but it just feels like
there should be more. Okay. And then I see you've never been adjusted before?
No, that was like when the last time I was still like middle school when we got in an accident. I went to the one in Ohio, but that was the last time I ever been to one.
Dang, okay.
So that was like 12 years ago, yeah.
Dang. Alright, so
I told my mom, I've been watching you since I was in high school. So that's 10 years.
Dang.
I've been watching for a long time. And I was like, I'm going to go ahead and book it and come out here and stuff.
Heck yeah, and that's your, right here doing a vacation in Orlando, not too far.
No, not too far.
Alright, I gotcha.
Okay.
Let me have you go face down on the table. Yep. Yeah, not too bad. Tiniest bit shorter on the left, but honestly not bad with the leg length there. Alright, definitely a little rotation in the neck. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. Okay, lower back could definitely have better movement. I mean, it's moving, but it could definitely be better. No pain with any of this, right?
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Good. There we go. Yeah, that left side, actually, that one really needed it.
Yeah.
Granted, that's where you said, though, you were starting to feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table and then go one leg on each side. Perfect.
I
would have passed that.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, this one is a sitting lumbar adjustment, so we'll get some movement in that lumbar spine and probably get a little bit in the lower thoracic as well. Keep your knees just a little bit tight. Yep. I'm going to rotate you towards me.
shaking.
Ooh.
I would have died. I would have died.
You got like a hair tie or something?
You're good, you're good.
Okay.
Dang, yeah, that was a ton of movement. But that was where you kind of needed it the most, is that lower.
Yeah, ooh. Looks like it's inflammation or something right there.
Some muscle knots in here. Now, do you do more local driving or long distance?
East Coast.
Okay.
Atlanta all the way to New York.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. They've been giving me like short loads to like Virginia and New York.
Oh, yeah, sure. Short. Uh-huh.
Oh, one of your phone goes dead.
Good there. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Yeah. Feel stronger.
Good. Go face down again for me, please. Okay. And then actually, I am going to bring your arms. Yep. And you can bring that one up. Perfect. This, so we're going to get some drops in on the left SI joint, right SI joint, directly over the sacrum, and then in through that lumbar spine. Catch your breath. Let me have you flip onto your back. Okay. Just relax your legs for me. We're going to do leg pulls. You'll get some release in the ankle, knee, going up to the hip. Relax, relax. There we go. Felt that one?
Yeah.
Good. Perfect. Right there. Oh, yep. And then, yeah, you can rest your arms. Perfect.
Oh, Lord. Here we come.
The best part right here. Okay, let me bring it. Yep. Perfect. Good. Yeah, with the Y strap, we're gonna decompress your spine.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Catch your breath.
Oh my gosh.
What did you feel?
Everything. I just felt like all through my neck, like, whew. It feels good though right now, but yeah.
That initial pull,
yeah.
it's shocking. Yeah, it catches you off guard, and then it's like you're telling her, breathe,
Oh
breathe.
my gosh. Like you just feel like my neck not even there. Oh man, yeah, it feels good though.
Good.
I recommend. A lot of people should do it.
Oh, I know. Most people, they just don't realize how
Yeah,
compressed
compress,
you're-
yes.
And especially with you and all that driving.
Right, man.
And that seat with all they normally have like that
The
air.
bouncing,
Yes.
yeah. That's why I put the seat, the cushion, because it like, I call it a soft shaker, because that's all it does. I mean, every bump, the truck is just like bouncing. But yeah,
Yeah.
I appreciate you so much, man.
You're welcome. Come on up.
Thank you.
And then you can turn that way.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Whew. I feel like more loose, like I was feeling like so congested earlier. Like now I just feel more loose.
Opened up.
Opened up, yes.
You guys got the same word.
Yeah, I'm about to say I can feel the soreness on the lower back. I can feel the soreness.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can feel it right now. But yeah, this feels good.
Good.
Should I turn?
Yeah, stand up, move around a little bit.
Yes, I feel good. Oh my gosh. This feels wonderful. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this feels really good. Like, this might be like an every 3 year type of thing.
Heck yeah.
Or when you think someone should adjust their bodies, like being a truck driver.
You'll definitely need it.
Need it,
That's
okay.
for sure.
Yeah.
The whole goal is hopefully keeping you well enough so
Well,
you
yes.
don't have to keep
coming. Yes.
Yeah, that's the
okay.
whole point.
So like do consistent squats
I
and
would say, and I always say knock on wood, hopefully no trauma,
yes.
accidents, nothing like that.
Ooh, no, yes, I don't need that
But
at
yeah,
all.
just normal
Yes.
lifting, it's just like a little tune-up on the body.
Okay, yeah. I feel good, like, wow, man, this like, yes, I feel
This
so
is how
good.
you're supposed to be
So
feeling.
feeling, yes, like I was sitting there just like, man, I just hope this release everything, like the tango, the stiffness, like, and it did its job. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.